Video close up.
Okay,
Hello!
1, 2, 3.
Ngiti ka na. Video to ate.
Video ba yan? Pinoy ako. Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Luis po.
Luis. Sa tagal saan ka rito?
Sa...
Ito sa Calgary.
Oh my god. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W. Pam, 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 pam.
Magandang gabi, Calgary! Ayan. O, kayo rin siya na. Kayo rin. Magandang gabi, Calgary! Kung kailangan, hindi ko kailangan sumigaw kayo, sumisigaw kayo ngayon. Okay, ito. O, ibaba niyo muna ng cellphone niyo, ha? Kasi kailangan yung pumalakpak na may kasamang sigawan. Sino dito ang mga OFW magpalakpakan? Yan. Sino dito ang mga permanent resident? Ay, dami. Sino dito ang nakapag-asawa ng Canadian na ngayon ay Canadian na? Ay, mas madami. Sino dito ang nagtatago? Visit kayo kayo maamin. Dapat kailangan ano kayo talaga? Feel na feel nyo. O eto ang last na tanong. May sigawan at palakpakan. Sinong nagagandaan sa akin? Natutuwa sa inyo, kuya ko. Nandito kayo, alam nyo ha? FYI, nandito ang kuya. No si Palasi. Sino? Sino ba sila? No si Explorer. Okay? No, I'm telling them for all the foreigners around, or no, hindi pala, locals around, I'm telling them that I'm so happy because I walk and walk and walk like an Egyptian. And then sometimes I'm tired, but I'm really happy here in Calgary. Especially all my kababayans are very, very hot. Hindi pala, warm. Hindi, mainit ang pagtanggap nila sa akin. Thank you so much. Ngayon, ay pupunta na tayo sa ating makabuluhang contest. Let's go! Oh, nasa na yung ano? Where's our contestant? Come! Up, up, up! Hindi pala lalakad ako maganda. Parang mukhang may pwet ako ah. Wait lang ah. Where's the contestant? Oh, there you are! Oh, where's Justin? Meron ako nakilala kanina si Justin. Wala dito. Where's Justin? Oh, Diyos ko. Ano ba? Nakakatakot ka lang, kuya. Akala ko lang, ano. O sige, move forward. Move forward. Oh, ikaw ang last ha. Kasi, wala nang mic. Oo. Meron kang sinulit sa buhok. Oh, shoot. Gumaganon pa. Oh, you have hairstylist? Oh, really? Oh, the mic is not working sometimes. Okay, so, uy, ang gwapo naman ito. You're so handsome. How are you, darling? What's your name?
Carter.
Carter. Oh, parang Chinese Carter. So, Carter, are you a student? Are you working?
I'm a student at State University.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. What course are you taking at? Kunyari magaling. What course are you taking at?
Power engineering.
Oh, power engineering. Engineering with the power. Yes, very good. Do you have a girlfriend, Carter?
I'm looking.
Later, Carter. My brother is there. You need to pass the exam, Carter. Chinese Carter. Okay. Kuya, are you speaking born and raised here or you're Filipino?
Ako sa Pinas.
Oh, pinanganak ka sa Pinas. Yes! Pinoy ako. Oh, anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Luis po.
Luis. Sa taga saan ka dito?
Sa
Ito sa Calgary.
taga Northwest po.
Oh, Northwest. Parang aeroplano ah. Oh, ikaw,
May regalo po ako sa inyo. Atong labubo, alam niyo po pangalan nito.
anong pangalan ng lububo mo?
Ay.
Totoo? Mamatay? Totoo?
Mamaya, ang galing nito.
Oh! Kala ko mamaya papakita ko to ha. Ano ka ba? Ano ka ipapakita mo? Yung pala yung labubo. Sinadya yung labubo mo. Oo. Hello, labubo. Oh, sige. Ito naman. Ikaw rin, Pinoy.
Pinoy po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Martin.
Martin. Wow, nice name. You know, my real name is Martina. Oh, yeah.
Wow!
Wow! That's all you can say, wow?
Hindi pa matalo yung labubo. Wala akong...
Ay, wala? Oo. Oo. Lababo. Hindi labubo, lababo. Oh, okay. Martina Eileen. That's why I'm I. Before a name, now a legend, tomorrow a superstitious belief. Ganyan yan, ha? Okay, so,
I'm learning.
okay, do you have, are you single? Do you have your wife here with you?
I have a Filipina with me.
Oh, is a girlfriend or wife?
Girlfriend.
Oh, that's very lucky of you because Filipinas are really smells good. Especially our the flowers all over the place. It's good, right?
I can't say anything to that.
Why? That's true. Filipinas smells good. Here, 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 and everywhere. Okay? Oo. Oh, Brad, nakailan na tayo, Brad? Okay, sabog ka na ba, Brad? Oo. Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
I'm hungry. Oh, sorry.
Ano o, tapos?
I'm Lawrence. Lawrence! Yeah!
Ayun, mukhang ano na to, mataas na to. Oo. O, okay na to, ha? O, ikaw ba, may syota ka, may asawa ka, wala ka ng syota, nag-break na kayo, naghahanap ka. Ano ang buhay mo ngayon?
Nag-break na and sick.
Siyempre, kahit ako rin ang babae, kung ito naman, nakikipag-break talaga ako sa'yo. Unang-una, para spaghetti ang ulo mo. Palitan mo na yan, magpagupit ka na. Okay, so ano pa, bakit nakipag-break sa'yo? Anong dahilan?
Dahil 6 daw trabaho ko.
Oh, natural naman yan. Sa Amerika, 3. Dito, 3. Bakit ka naman nagiging 6? Ilan ang binubuhay mo?
Unemployment!
Pucha. Pag ganito ng ganito yung kausap mo, nalagang nasa Calgary ka. Ang pula pa ng mata. Hindi, papula mata niya, hindi bogsa. Ang tawag dito? Oo, Goku. Oo, para kang Goku.
Paano ba yung social media? Goku Calgary! Thank you!
Ayaw nila. Joke lang. O sige, ito madali lang this is easy. You just look at me and follow me later. Okay? Okay. Then one by one, I will call you. But now let's practice first. Don't move. I will move first. Okay? Okay. Music please. Ay, ang bilis! Ang bilis! Ay, bagalan mo, kuya! Slow down, like this! Very slow! Like having some shots! Ayan! Okay? That's it. The sexier, the better. Okay? Oh. Come. Come. Chinese Carter. Okay. Now, later, I'll be sexy with you. Okay? If you don't mind.
Promise?
Yeah, I promise. And you give me your ring in your nose and put it in. Ay, dito ka sa akin. Follow me. Kumakalikot ka. Uy, dapat dito ka sa akin. Face me. Okay, palakpakan natin si Carter. Ngayon, labubu, come. Show me your labubu later. Alam mo na yan, ha? O, galingan mo, ha? Itayo natin ang mga Pinoy. Alam mo naman, ha? Mga Pinoy, astig yan. Kumbaga sa ano, para yan lumpiang Shanghai. Maliit, pero matigas.
Mga Pinoy, pasensya na po.
Huwag ka naman, naku po, mga Pinoy. Kaya mo yan, huwag kang magpapatalo. Paalalahanin mo parati, si Labubu ay kasama mo. Okay? O, ano naman yung inaano-ano mo dyan? O, gusto mo ba magpa-picture? Oo. May electric man. May magkakrush ako sa'yo. Bait ka. Kaya tawa maya na yan. Sige na, Labubu. Sige na, baby. Okay na. Sige. Let's go. Tapos na. Wala, mahina to, mahina. Takot eh.
Sorry po.
Nandiyan ba girlfriend mo?
Ang girlfriend niya.
Oh, wala pala eh. O sige, ano ko na, andun na sila, bubu. Halika dito, ito na. Si Martin.
Okay lang po bang touch?
Touch? Okay na. But don't touch me here. Just here and here. Okay, baby. Okay, Martin, let's go. Nandito kayo lahat. Hey, sweetheart. How is it going?
Well, I'm nervous now.
Oh, why? You just do the lambada.
I didn't know I had to have dancing skills.
Oh, it's okay. I'll be the one dancing to you. Just take it easy. Just look here, like that. And just move. Yes. Bakit pa ganun? Di ba dapat pa ganun? Yes, move. That's the lambada. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na. Ay, bilisan. Oh, is your girlfriend here?
She left.
Oh.
Let me come up here and she said, "You're going to embarrass me. I need to leave."
Oh, she left. But who? Who's the girlfriend? Oh, you're the girlfriend. Oh, she's beautiful. Like me, ha? Oh. Uy, hiram lang to na nga. Oh, di naman ako kumapatol sa mga ganito. Gusto ko Pilipino pa rin kasi nahihirapan ako mag-Ingles. Diba? Kasi parusahan ko sarili ko, diba? Okay? So like this, you will do this. I'll move for you. Because you said you can't dance, right?
True.
Oh, true. Sige. Nahihirapan na ako. Mamay, tumutugo-tugo na ako. Ano, nosebleed na ako rito eh. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go! Okay, palakpakan natin siya. Alam mo, chinichismis niya din sa mga Pilipino. I think she likes me. Agad-agad, like? Oh, eto. Bakit kasi sumali ka? Oh, ubarin mo na yung jacket mo kasi mainit. Magsasayaw tayo. Oo. Try muna. Tapos mamaya yung totoo, ha? Titingnan muna kita, ha? Sige. Titingnan muna kita. Okay. Ganun, ha? Hindi ganyan. Ganun. Tak, 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 tak. Mabilis. Tak, 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 tak. Ano na to talaga? Ano, todong-todo na ang ano nito, tama nito. Sige. Tak, 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 tara, tararara, tararararararara, tarara. May sariling mundo eh. Oh, kailangan yung nasa trip niya. Oh, practice ha, ganito. Tak, 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 tak. Oh, Maliwanag kaya slow eh. Ta, na, 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 na. Ta, na, 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 na. Oh, dapat ganun. Oh, kasi downers, di ba? So, ganun ang dating. Oh, sige na, kuya. Okay, ma. Let's go! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi, huwag ka mahiya! Nagdadabo ka nga, naihiya ka. Okay, palakpakan natin ng walang kwentang ginawa ni Kuya, naka-orange pa na brief eh. Pag gano'n niya, kita ko pongka na pongka yung brief niya. Oh, pants ba yan? Hindi! Sa loob! Tinan mo, oh, orange oh! Ayan, yung brief mo! Yan, pongka na pongka. Okay, so now let's decide through our kababayans with their clapping galore, who will win this very, very nice contest. Come. Okay. First, Carter! Okay. Thank you, Carter. Go back to your place. Labubu, come! Our second contestant, Labubu! Okay. Our third contestant, Martin! Kalabong pants. And of course, what's your name again, sir? Nick! Let's clap our hands to Nick! Oh, ulit ha. Let's clap our hands to Nick! Kayo. Oo. And of course, naitama ka! Ano ang pangalan mo, kuya?
Tama. Lawrence may
Lawrence, may tama. Palakpakan natin siya. Kaya talaga, oh. Talagang mukhang siya pa yung nanalo, eh, no? Ang galing mo talaga. Napadaan ka pa niyan, ha? Oo. So, sino ang first prize? Ito. Second prize, mamimili kayo dito. Sa dalawa na to.
Yung black short!
Ito, si Martin o si Nikki? Martin, second prize. Third prize, fourth prize, and fifth prize. Okay? Just wait, I'll get my money for you. Oo. And then later, magpapablatter tayo sa police. First prize, 1,000. O, 43 rin to, ha? O, yan. Hindi, followers, saka ito, 1,000. O, tapos meron kang free hit sa bawat nitong mga binubuga na usok na to. Okay, thank you. Martin, second prize. Thank you. Thank you, Martin. Sit naman yan. And to you, to our, ano ba to? Oy, ito, wait, meron pa isa. Oh, Canadian. Yes, we have $5 Canadian for all our non-winner. Wait. Oh, ito na. Chinese Carter. Ay, ito to. Labubu. Ay, ito na. Bakit? Oh, ito sa inyo. Oh, sige. O, lahat tayo. Are you ready? O, sige. For the last time, let's go! close up. Selfie. Picture na close up. Paluma naman nun. Selfie na uso ngayon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Video ba yan? Okay, picture. So far! Oo. Alika. Saan? Paano? Saan? Oh, dito musog ka rito. Oo. Okay, sumusunod lang siya. Come here. Oo. Open to siya! Oh, you came, 3 of you. Oh, so you're friends. Oh, how young are you boys?
19.
Oh, 19.
19 din.
19.
20.
Oh, none. No, too old. You're too old for me. Oh, picture. One. Oh, lahat tayo, itaas natin ang ating mga kamay. Let's go. Ay, hindi ka kasali. Bumaba ka na eh. Hindi, halika dito. Kawawa naman to. Ano ba? Bakit ka ba nagkakaganyan? Ano ba problema mo? Sabi mo sa akin. Ano ba, na-homesick ka ba? Ako yung...
Counseling pala.
Nahulog yung wallet mo? Wala ka namang wallet eh. Mga pickpocket eh. Halika. Parang riding in tandem to si Huli. Halika na lang. Mag-picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Okay, thank you so much guys. Palakpakan po natin ang ating... ang dami naman requirements nito nila Bubo. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Ang mabait naman ng mga bata. Ay, nako. Buti na lang. Anyways, are you enjoying, guys?
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever.
Hello friends, good morning. I am going to make a new video on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Get out of there, it's gonna blow! Bomb has been defused. Circle around back. Sector clear. Okay, team, follow my command. Get in position and wait for my go.
Coco Martin!
I heard a rumor through the grapevine so bold. Lawrence Lim got a million stories untold. From green jokes, conspiracies, and edits with flair. You gotta follow him, baby, if you dare. Your feet feels empty without his magic touch. He got the blues and the laughs that you crave so much. With a click and a follow, you'll find some relief. Lawrence Lim's social media, a digital belief. Click, subscribe, don't miss a trick. Now, hey, leave your worries and come on, click today. Lawrence Lim's got the content right in line. Follow him.